Matthew Perry's life has been anything but ordinary, especially when it comes to his home. From the laid-back luxury of his $15 million Malibu beach house to his $27 million mansion in the sky, he's managed to put on not one but two stunning properties on the market. Join us as we window shop through the properties that define Matthew Perry's houses. Now, Matthew Perry, popularly known for his role as Chandler Bing in the hit series Friends, is a Canadian-American actor that also doubles as a comedian screenwriter, which should come as no surprise, as a role such as the funniest one in the Friends group could require a high sense of humor in the actor himself. After the hit Friends series, Matthew Perry had been featured in different movies and series like 17 Again, The Whole 10 Yards, and Serving Sarah. Also, before he rose to stardom from the Friends series, it would surprise you to know that Matthew Perry has been acting since 1997. Now, the famous Friends NBC sitcom was on from 1994 to 2004, and due to its increasing popularity, in 2002, Chandler Bing and his friends were making $1 million per episode. With such an amount of wealth being amassed, what better way to spend it than to invest in real estate? And Matthew Perry did just that. With an estimated net worth of $120 million, Matthew Perry purchased and sold stunning real estate properties throughout his lifetime. In 1995, he purchased a two-bedroom home in the Hollywood Hills, a Los Angeles neighborhood renowned for being a center for celebrities, following the premiere of Friends. The modest 2,000-square-foot house was the start of his real estate portfolio. In an interview with the Toronto Star in 1995, Perry mentioned that it was a law to purchase a Hollywood house in the hills between the first and second seasons of a successful sitcom. This was the first house that Matthew Perry ever purchased, and it sold for $839,000 in April of 2001. For $6.55 million, Matthew purchased this beachfront mansion, which was dubbed the Pier House because it had a view of the Malibu Pier. It was situated on a hillside above the coast in the city's Sarah Retreat neighborhood. The modern estate, which has 4 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, was constructed on a 2.5-acre plot of land in 1981. Think about gazing out at the ocean from the numerous glass fall walls that face the Pacific. The property featured a swimming pool and a meditation garden to promote even more peace. But the Pacific was just outside the large deck and visible from the numerous glass walls facing the ocean. Perry put this serene property to good use. He decided to transform it into a sober living facility called the Perry House to help others who suffered the same illnesses that he had experienced. Imagine waking up to the gentle rhythm of waves with sunlight streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows. That's the everyday reality that Matthew Perry enjoyed in his former Malibu beach house, perched on one of the most exclusive streets along the coast. And this sleek 2-story retreat was the epitome of California luxury. The exterior, a mix of glass and smooth wood, blended seamlessly into its sandy surroundings. Inside, the 5,500 square feet of living space was warm yet modern, with rich wood floors underfoot and exposed beam ceilings overhead. The neutral tones let the ocean views do all the talking. Walking into the living area, you'll find plush white sofas that are perfectly positioned to face the waves, with the fireplace adding to a cozy touch. The glass doors opened onto a wraparound deck, allowing salty breezes to flow through the house. And if you're imagining long dinners with friends, well, you'd love the open-plan galley kitchen. It was packed with high-end appliances and custom cabinetry, offering the perfect blend of functionality and style. And let's talk about the Master Suite, a sanctuary that stretched across the width of the house, with its private balcony overlooking endless blue horizons. Whether you were lounging in the sitting area or gazing out at the sunset from the dressing room, every inch of space felt serene. And to top it all off, there was a private screening room where Matthew likely watched reruns of Friends or indulged in Hollywood classics. Though he sold this house in 2021 for $13.1 million, still, the charm is unforgettable. But if you think the beach is the ultimate retreat, wait until you hear about his mansion in the sky. Matthew Perry's penthouse, lovingly nicknamed the Mansion in the Sky, was designed with opulence in mind. The entire space revolved around 360-degree views of Los Angeles. From the Hollywood sign to the sparkling Pacific Ocean, you could take in the city's energy without ever stepping outside. Inside, the interiors were a bold mix of deep velvet textures, daring colors, and contemporary finishes. The open-plan design connected living spaces seamlessly, with custom furnishings adding a personal touch. Velvet armchairs and sectional sofas offered both comfort and class, while sleek marble accents gave the penthouse a polished edge. One standout feature was the private screening room, with a dramatic black and gray design that gave off total Gotham vibes. It's easy to imagine Matthew unwinding here after a long day. And speaking of unwinding, 4 massive terraces surrounded the penthouse, offering plenty of space for stargazing or hosting unforgettable rooftop soirees. Though Matthew listed the Marvel for $35 million, it ultimately hit the market for $27 million, a small price for unparalleled views and unmatched exclusivity. While this penthouse soars above the hustle and bustle, Matthew's next home brings us back to earth in the most charming way possible. Now, when you think of downsizing, it might conjure images of compromises. But for Matthew Perry, his Pacific Palisades home proved that less can indeed be more when it's done right. Nestled in one of LA's most serene neighborhoods, this $6 million contemporary cottage feels like a hidden gem. Perched atop a hill, the house offers stunning panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. And though it's smaller than his previous homes at 2,900 square feet, it's no less impressive. Walking through the oversized front door, you're greeted by a spacious great room with soaring ceilings and dramatic wheat oak floors. The open floor plan connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas seamlessly, creating a perfect indoor-outdoor flow. The kitchen is every foodie's dream. With its concrete breakfast bar, built-in wine rack, and indoor vegetable garden, it feels both chic and functional. And the floor-to-ceiling windows, well, they flood the room with natural light, making every corner Instagram-worthy. The bedrooms are just as impressive. 2 master suites boast private terraces, steam showers, and Jack and Jill sinks. The walk-in closets, lined with cedar panels, add a touch of old-school elegance while keeping pests far away. Outside, the magic continued. The raised pool and spa sit at the edge of the property, offering killer sunset views. On a clear day, you can see Catalina Island. Imagine sipping wine by the fire pit as the sky turns shades of pink and orange, a perfect escape from the fast-paced Hollywood life. As tranquil as this cottage is, though, Matthew's former Bird Streets home takes us back to bold and modern luxury. Nestled in the iconic Bird Streets above the Sunset Strip, this property screams Hollywood chic. Matthew purchased the home back in 2011 for $8.5 million and later sold it for $12.5 million, a testament to its timeless appeal. From the outside, it's a modern masterpiece with clean lines and a sleek facade that contrasts beautifully with the lush greenery around it. Inside, the 3,800 square foot home feels like a stylish retreat. The living room, with its hardwood floors and dramatic fireplace, opens seamlessly to the backyard through floor-to-ceiling glass sliders. The kitchen is a bold statement of design, featuring deep green countertops and high-end appliances. It's the kind of space where you'd imagine hosting a glamorous dinner party. And the backyard? Well, an LED-lit infinity pool steals the show, with views that stretch across the entire city. One unique feature of the home was the shallow pond with stepping stones leading from the living room to the yard, a touch of zen amidst the city's hustle. Downstairs is a private screening room, offering yet another space for relaxation, while the master suite, with its direct pool access, complements the resort-style vibes. It's no wonder that Matthew eventually traded this home for his penthouse. In the same year that he bought the Pier House, Perry bought a corner apartment in the Sierra Towers building, which was once owned by Sir Elton John and is located in the West Hollywood neighborhood. Perry paid $3.2 million for it, and while we don't know if this is the exact apartment that the actor occupied, a sunny corner apartment in the same building is listed on Zillow. Now, this apartment has 3 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. Residents of the building have access to modern fitness centers and a communal pool. Known for housing famous people, the Sierra Towers has been a mainstay of the LA skyline since the complex's construction in 1965. In 2011, Matthew Perry offered the condo for sale at $2.995 million. 5 months before the death of the iconic Matthew Perry in October of 2023, he made a purchase of a Hollywood Hills home in an off-market deal for an estimated $5 million in May of 2023. Originally built in 1957, this 2,800 square foot home boasts 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a central patio furnished with a swimming pool. The living room, spacious and furnished with modern-day amenities, offers a flowery view that one can enjoy just by looking out the glass doors that are situated at one angle of the room. The living room combined luxury and elegance with its wood floor and centerpiece rugs to accentuate the furniture. The living room also had a fireplace just a little beneath the large flat-screen TV. The dining room of the house revealed the double-sided fireplace in the living room while offering a more extensive view of the flowery surroundings available in the living room situated close to the pool. In the center of the living room is a snooker table directly opposite a large image on the wall of a man playing snooker. You're probably wondering, where's the dining area if a snooker table is in the center of the dining room? The kitchen makes up for its hosting of a dining area that is connected to the laundry room. Out of the 3 bedrooms that the Hollywood Hills boasts of, Matthew transforms the 3rd bedroom into a screening room that gives off a romantic and private cinema experience in a cozy, chic space. The primary bedroom comes with large sliding glass doors with direct access to the pool area and includes a walk-in closet. The view of the primary bedroom is an enjoyable one, as it offers more than just the flowery view, but a picturesque view of Hollywood Hills with the palm and trees and grass very close to the property. And lastly, the central patio. One would have thought the view from inside was incredible, but the view from the central patio tops it. Standing in the central patio, one could see the nature that engulfed the house, with trees resting slightly above, like protectors of the home. Furnished with a seating area and a fire pit, it served as the perfect place for entertainment in this abode. As of May of 2024, the property was listed on the market for $5.2 million. Hey, thanks for watching, and let us know your comments which of the Matthew Perry houses you would like to add to your cart. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video, and we'll see you in our next one.